Mama wakwaba wafreme Ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell on so for more news. Ebusuafo owura kechire kwadwo alanchre manten aka Alan Cash. Enye me na me de kechire ne ma no Ghana Fubi na NPP Fubi no mo echire se omo nim. So owura Alan Cash so your last baby o. Said dey yenti menchire because ni trim ya ni dodo. Na Ghana for amano kechiri na ebusuafo eye owura Alote Jacobs former Central Regional Chairman de ma NDC amayoko no e de ensem bi abetudwa o kire se owura Alan Cash ne sesi ekura o support Vice President Dr. Bawumia a o kire se signal no eye high na no e na owura Alote Jacobs e kire se oyire kura eye owura Alan Tremanten oyire kura e support Bawumia na aden na wakwakote wo party ebusuafo yenje ensem no emu enchiregu kakra yen na enim ensem a etwegu e wo Ghana ha titiri pa NPP amayoko no eye owura Alan Cash sesi no waba out wa pen atro letter abekin candidate tin dia Ghana fu yina sesi no onye NPP ni bio we fi party ni mu na party na o fi mi nso no on fi mi kwa okwakote ne ogina as independent candidate adanya o kire say ena no August about to our court internal elections e course NPP amayoko ni mu no NPP fun panifun bi e chinchim delegate ne nsa age abato ne nkunim na ama nipa baako ntone do ntimi yes adwuma no wate no ho na ate no ote ne ho no ogina independent ne din ode ba ne say movement for change a ne symbol eye butterfly na Ghana for the concert in the papa sa afafranto ya owura Alan Cash e kire se eno na edi ne kan Ghana for papa den if you look at me I will fly like a butterfly and I would aba zenya woden yenya woden o party what ngina enya de be gina ene Ghana for akasa no watch papa ya basa na sere ebi mo so e kire se owura Alan Cash e wankasa president untumi ndi obi a otumi ya wude say eye his excellency na nado dan kwakufa de be president na woni Ghana ha papa ye tietia na nim say adre onum cocaine ensemo papa o ne fa no because president also be na no bedi ugina itintimi ya na Ghana for yeto abama no 2016 na owura Alan Cash de ken na watwe pen e ken no otro no resign no be back father Ghana for suntumi president e was sense me mu na owura Alote Jacobs abeka say otie wo baabi say na rekora e support vice president a o che say signal no high yenti nsema owura Alote Jacobs e de etiga
nti I'm sure yeah so say if you look he's leading himself to doom politics wobejije wodosisia after the press conference someone our interview I know a lot of them from Central Region. Now, well, that is their choice. But I'm saying there, what are their influences within their constituencies in Central Region? And politics is binomious. Say, in your base, if you don't touch base with the people, forget it. If you want any position. Ewo party muso ne entumu wona wodi wachi na ade ne entumu ambo won economically forget it nti ombisa no there Okwa Trade Ministry he's been there for almost 10 years Okwa Trade Ministry one anum no building one and I want no building one was wo bo awona we dey chi now because na na akese time bi aye makansem ti dem wona work demonstration in recent occupy
Julobi House no
I'm a Julobi House. It's a very decent place. It's a seat of government. NDC for no over Flaster House. MBP for Jubilee House. When I woke up demonstration in I was just watching it on telly. Let me see Charlie. You have got demonstration. So on your closeness to Professor Amos, who is Alote Jacobs? Yeah. The fact is that when you are not close to the power or the powers that be, forget it. You are nobody. Yeah, woboko demonstration, woboko ako brunkofu. Assuming that dama wanna or finance one more demonstration, what about power? How many of you know over there will be your post? The same thing they enter hope you no being what's your potomanto brother Bawumia ji potomanto. Yeah, people should think beyond the box. You have no other place. I'm more politics, but Alan still have the zeal, and he believes there he should be president of Ghana. Nangu ponsu no si hino. Nangu ponsu ansa no obesi hinen. Che walanga se wo base. Na wo base ni so you strong. I thought you marry wo project oral and chamati ne year. One interview us TV station be interviewed us say the signal is high. I'm say ajiwado. Obini adio. Obini moto ni totem. Otenam negeje also a high is you have endorsed that person.
Oh.
And say
Waloti.
Dabi. Nene how can say?
Papa.
That presser now oral and chamati was done in haste. Nzaye there. Na waka shishe atebisu symbol or what enumpo one sase. Yeah, in politics, there is spiritualism in politics. Atemna waka shishe nupun. That must be so good. Don't go for the way what I say. And so I wasn't surprised then he got the signal is very high. Now Wadu or the hope if he there Neil and Tibana man. And Neil and Tibana boy. Oh, no, mistakenly or sleeping or get there.
Neil and Tevana, my dear Medea.
That was the campaign. You know, do
Mangari, you cry.
Le Bogaji, Charlie.
Mansada, no Neil and Tevana boy.
And see, Alani now also supporting now. Waga knows Bawumia. The moon press and I see that the signal is high. And see, in your mouth, it's the moon.
Or say, good fellow, they or fair, or say. Message Martin said the signal is so strong and it is very possible.
If you are the big one, no, I mean, who's the show grow again? But I mean, such a grow, who you also there. The signal is very high. That means, oh, you are?
Are you saying, say, Alan, free people want to harm?
Enyima, Alan will feel the heat after the flag bearership. Say Bawumia, I don't make a baby no. Don't underestimate Bawumia's flag bearership. Don't take it to chance. Yeah? Say, we
Honorable, I then I will train ya, dear no. Nya media to wakoma so say we be president. Now we name say we be president. Oh sorry, we page a woman. We are Jumaden de Chiregana. Na so mo paya to Abama. And yes, I net here.
Nah, see what you
You be tracking, sir. And it's a one cast I will pay here and no now build the. Hey, Don, so we a media guy. Who's that?
Debbie.
And you can call Mobile a friend Alan Quadro. Now, we didn't know.
Debbie.
And yeah, I'm people with my language chairman.
Debbie,
now idea I am about Andrew the speech or kind and it's Andrew Pradia or the don't know and godfathers ni now fry said because for Alan at the point in time now you won't crawl for and executives of this party and they led this party and it's and who could just simply so 2 money na go bass ya say